Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a color in your Excel sheet. So if we have many colors, for example here, we can replace one with another one, and we can choose or select some colors, as we see, to test our macro, and we will test it on many colors with different degrees, so it will not replace, for example, another one. It will replace exactly the same color. And before we run our macro, we should be sure what colors to change, because if you change the wrong one, you will mess with all the file. And unfortunately, macros, they don't have undo button. So before we run our macro, let's have a look at the source code. Here is the source code that I wrote to change the color, and it is very simple and easy. It depends totally on the RGB colors, because they are more varied, I think. So let's choose the new color that we want to apply, and then choose the ones that you want to replace. After that, select the range that you want to replace it with a new color. Now it changed it to the colors that we wanted. I think it is not looking the same color, because the colors that we have on the left side, it is between many colors, so it looks different, but believe me, it is the same color still. It's just different for our eyes, or maybe I'm the only one who sees it like this. So now let's change this one to black, and despite the fact that we selected many many colors together in the same range, it only changed the color with the degree that we stated from our cell. So it worked very well. And if you did not put macros again, it will give you an error. Sorry, the inputs again, it will give you an error in the macro. So here, let's change this to white, and we'll change all the black with white. So now it's replaced all the black background cell color and replaced it with white. I hope you like it.